I'm Jerry Hardman, and I was the chairman of the Board of Trustees at First United Methodist Church for 3 years. One of the major problems that I had to deal with while serving in that position was the leaks throughout the church. To give you an idea of how bad our leaks were, the first week that I was chairing that committee, the roof of the women's bathroom on the second floor fell. We got Sam and Brian, they came out to Scottsboro and spent about an hour walking the property with us inside and out and understanding the problems we were seeing and where the issues were. So I was real nervous that we needed somebody that was a little more capable than a standard residential roofer. The fact that Sam and Brian were willing to drive an hour and over to Scottsboro and spend an hour with me walking the property and having just very, casual, comfortable conversations with them, I just got a good feeling. And I was real impressed with how prompt they were getting to our job and how quickly the work went. So in the end, we've not seen any more problems, and they did what they said they were going to do in a very prompt manner and for the price that they said they were going to do it for. It was relief, right? There's really no other way to explain it. That was a problem that I had consumed me for two and a half years up to that point. To know that we somehow happened upon the right folks for the job, and it worked out the way it did, and went as smoothly as it did, it was a huge relief in the end. Couldn't have gone better, in my opinion.